Hello, Leslie here with another plan with me. We're in my dashboard happy planner that I use as my health and fitness planner. Normally I use happy planner sticker books, but I thought I would use this sticker kit set from Cupcakes and Stickies. You can find them on Etsy and Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I did go ahead and white out the headers for the boxes because I don't use them like that. So that's just something different that I do. I am going to go ahead and grab one of these habit trackers. I think I'm going to go with the like watercolor one. Put that down here for my vitamins. I just take like women's daily vitamin, and then I also take what's the other thing I take? Ooh, is this a big giant sticker? Ooh, I think it is. I love it. I take vitamin C. So that's it. Nothing super crazy or anything. Okay, so do I want it to go this way or this way? I could layer in another full box or washi. She also has these like cute circle stickers. I think I'm gonna grab, there's like animal print mixed in with floral. That's just fun. Okay, so I'm thinking the pink one has a nice like matchy tone to it. I like that one. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here, going across. And then I'm gonna put this right here. Or should I just go like that? I think I should go like that. I think that looks good. Okay, we'll put that there. And then we might have like a cool like black and white quote over here. I think that might be fun. That might be a good idea. All right, as far as like functional things that I need from this kit, especially is, let's see, look, I think these could work as covers for the words. Yeah. So we'll put these in. Use those here and there. Grab this one and this one. I don't mind covering up that first box anyhow, as I only use 3 over here anyway. And we'll grab some watercolor ones, mix those in. But I use these boxes for different things other than, it's like phone calls and errands, I think. So if I was using this as a regular kind of weekly planner, yeah, that would totally work probably. But okay, I think I need to go up with this one though, because I need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I'm good. Because I track my zone minutes, which I keep getting questions about zone minutes. So that's like when you're in fat burning zone is what that is. Okay, so I'm gonna put zone minutes. I don't really know what the white line's for. I don't really care. The like faded outline, I guess if you were to like make a header and then write something. So zone minutes, zone minutes. And then this one over here is goals, which I usually just put 3 anyway, just so I'm not overwhelming myself. This one's a reflection section. And then I have health tip or fitness tip or whatever, but I usually just write tip or health tip. But health tip. Okay. So I get that from the Fitbit as well. I haven't really gotten like any other ones, like as far as from somewhere else or something else. All right, we will go ahead and put a header here just so like we have some uniformity, I guess. I don't know. Does that matter? No. Okay. That there. Then we'll just write steps. Okay, so that one goes there. And then anything else that I like pre-do? I don't think so. I don't think so. So we have some of these like decorative moons. I would say they're like moons, kind of. I think I could use them any way I want. I think I can. Like, look at that. Why not? I'm using it that way. You know? I don't think it matters. Okay, there is day covers. I thought I would just leave the numbers there and slice off the dots here because I think they'll still be long enough. Let me double check, but I think so. If I cut off this, yeah, it will. Okay, so I'm going to take my scissors and try to get as close as I can to like where the circle is. Cut that off. Don't need the circle. And put these in over this. Not necessary, more like just for decoration. But I thought I would cut them all at once. I wasn't going to do them all individually. I thought I would just cut them off the sticker sheet like this. Hopefully getting them all pretty even. Trying to cut as close as I can to that circle. And that way I can still peel them off too. It makes it a bit easier on me. I haven't used date covers in this planner at all, so this is fun. All right, but I thought we'd put these in before they got in the way. There also is some more like neutral colored one over here that you could use. I think the idea is that it's like 2 weeks of a planner spread, possibly, depending on how you plan, of course. Of course. Oh, this one is the one where I might have a problem. Is it long enough? Barely, barely. So we need to make sure I'm right up on that W. What that means. Okay, perfect. I was like, ooh, Wednesday's always the one I'm like nervous about. Because I feel like obviously they don't care if it's the same length. They wanted the same font size. So, you know, sometimes it doesn't always fit behind the sticker. All right, there's that. Cool, got that one done. All right, and then we have these full boxes still. We do have some half boxes. I thought I would sprinkle those in. There's also some washi tape to play with. So, you know I need to play with that. Okay, let's put this one all the way over here. And then we'll put, let's see. I usually just like 3 goals anyway. So I might go ahead and take, okay, I already have a floral and an animal print. What if I take this one and just put that over this bottom part? Should I go all the way over? Yeah, that's fine. All the way over, but I'll go up a little bit. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put in the 3 box check. Well, I was just going to write next. I was going to write next to all of those 3. But I need to get that to go away. Okay, we'll just go like this. Cover that up. And then I'll white out that box right there with my pin here, the Signio pin. I did add this to my Amazon links in my videos so that you guys can see it below. But I found them at Staples and at Michael's too, so you know, it's wherever. All right, there is some wide washi here to play with as well. Oh my gosh, there's so much in this kit, you guys. All right, so I think I want to put down a circle. Do this circle, and then where's that like decorative thing? Okay. Like I said, I think these are supposed to be moons, but I'm probably not going to use them that way. Go like this. And stick that over here, maybe? I like it. All right, and then usually I do some kind of deco over here, whether it's the full boxes. I haven't decided. I think it will be. I think I'm going to grab this one. And then I'm going to grab the animal print one. Put those together. Maybe so. We shall see. Okay, so if I do this all the way over here, yeah, I run out of room. What ends up happening? Go like this. Wonder if I could fit that there. Or we'll go all the way down and over. Don't worry, I still have room over there. Write things. And then put this here. Not covering up Sunday. Yeah. Okay. And then we can do like a full box or a circle here. There's an animal print sticker, but I think I'm going to go with the box. Right in. Layer that back on. This one down here. There. And then that's kind of decorative. I don't think I'm going to use that. I do like these. I want this one here. And then we'll do, should we do circle and deco for 22nd? Like this one. Can I have that? Thank you. Okay, so I'm thinking like this, rested on top. I'm thinking instead of covering that up, I don't want to cover that up. So I'll put this in the middle. I need to go lower. Might need to. And put this right on top to kind of decorate it. There, that's fun. Okay. And then there's like a full-on circle one as well. That's kind of fun for deco. And then we could do another full, oh, that's, I thought that was like another sticker. I don't know why. I was like, oh, goodness. Okay, we can write on this one as well. We'll put it over here. And then I think that'll be good. As far as that goes, I need to grab the quote, I think. And then there's also washi strips I haven't utilized the washi whatsoever. But maybe we need to do some of that as well. Ooh, that could be fun. Let's cut this one. That. I should grab my animal print coffee mug. I did not. I don't think I did. Okay, we'll put this one down here. Like that. That's cute. And then grab this dotted one. This one's really wide. I think it's fine. Okay, and we'll cut this one into a little flag too. Okay. Well, I have this one going down these boxes. Because I already have like a place to write, so that's not really an issue. Okay. Like that one. Okay, let's pick our quote. You guys know I love my watercolor sticker book for picking quotes. That one just says to do. That's not happening. Okay. I want their start each day with a grateful heart. And then get a little better every day. Oh, I like that one too. These are so like fonts Mary would use from Cupcakes and Stickies. Like her script. She likes script sticker, or she writes, put your heart into it. I don't see a lot of hearts though. Okay. I'm thinking get a little better every day or start each day with a grateful heart. Because if I do it like this, it'll kind of cut into the reflection though. So I think I'm going to go with this one just because I don't think it'll cut in so much. Get a little better every day. I think bring it down to there so it's not going too high up. And then it's a little bit on those stickers. So I'm liking that. Okay, so I think that's how the spread is going to look for that week. Still quite a bit left over, honestly. Which is always good. Always good. Let's grab the planner. So I haven't finished. This is going up like way later in the week. I'm trying to film all my videos on Saturdays now, so I'm gonna flip back the other week because I know when I filmed the other one I was like, guys, I haven't updated my spread, so I'll flip back and show you that as well. Let me see. Oh, not that one, but this one. So I did finish out that one. As far as hitting my goals, I don't think I drank enough water, that's for sure. I did put it in my planner more, and then Saturday was a day off because I was letting my Fitbit charge and I forgot to put it back on. So that would be why Saturday's at like 0 zone minutes. And steps are actually higher on Sunday than Saturday, but whatever. We had a huge like outing to the park on that Monday, so that's why there's a huge amount of walking there. Okay, for this spread right here, I think I'm gonna go with my like fall cream flower here. I think that goes with the spread really well. And then I think it's my other one. I have a rose gold bow, like a little baby rose gold bow. That would be cute. And then maybe the September word clip. I like that one. And then what was the other one? Let's grab the fox because I love the fox. Going with those rose gold tones, I feel like I see in this spread. I mean, I'm ready for fall anyway, so you know, we're going to see some more fall spreads coming up after this week. This has some fall colors, but I wouldn't say it's like a fall kit. But there you go. So that's my spread. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you're subscribed. All right, bye guys.